What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG and AOMC YouTube channels, and I'm dropping by today to talk about the 2023 Huskies because they just released on HusqvarnaMotorcycle.com. I'm outside today. I couldn't resist. It's a beautiful day here in Appalachia. The wind's blowing a little bit, so hopefully that's not too bad. Just bear with me here. So 2023 Huskies weren't any kind of big mystery. We knew what the bike changes were. We knew all that stuff. What we didn't know was what the bikes were going to look like and what models were going to be offered. And Huskies cleared that up today with the drop.
I spent many days in the shadows of those before me, spinning lap after lap, thinking a corner was just a corner, a jump was just a jump. And the dirt, well, it's simply dirt. I needed to break free from my own barriers, to see things from a new perspective, and start pushing the boundaries of progression. I'm ready to create my own legacy. The all-new 2023 motocross range. Make your statement.
So let's start with looks first. The gray, I think, looks great. I love it. It's got, the dash of high vis. It's not too much high vis, but just enough white to set that off. I really enjoy it. The only thing I don't like, that I'm bummed about, is that blue frame. If you're gonna do a gray, white, and high vis bike, why throw in a fourth color like dark blue for the frame? I don't know. I think they're just trying to keep something about the Husky heritage. But man, if you had a gray frame or a black frame, then you open up a whole world of options for plastic colors and different graphic options and looks of the bike, and you just corner yourself with that blue frame. I don't know, I never have liked it, but oh well, what can you do? Next, if you go through the models, at least on the website, it looks like there is indeed not a TC 300 two-stroke motocrosser. I know a lot of people are gonna be bummed about this. I would like to see one as well, but I didn't think there was gonna be one. Not sure why, since it is the same bike as the KTM, and then it shares so many of the components of the 250. Husky's already got all the plastics and parts sitting around. I don't know why they just wouldn't put one of those together and sell it. Doesn't make much sense to me, but they must. I'm sure they know a lot of things that I don't know, so bummer about that. Oh, if we read the first paragraph here about the FC250, it's got a couple interesting excuse me, it's got a couple interesting things. It says, the FC250 is housed in an all-new frame, a compact, lighter, redesigned engine, features a revised Pankel gearbox, ensuring smooth gear changes with a new quick shifter, further aiding upshift. I can tell you the quick shifter is amazing. If you're not real sure what a quick shifter is or what it does, just go back to a couple of my videos a few days ago. I did a video of my first experience with the quick shifter. Then I got to use the quick shifter on a moto track in a real kind of racing scenario just a couple days ago at I-64, and guys, it's awesome. It's a game changer. It just feels really cool. More on that later, but it also says here, a new cylinder and CP piston increased the compression ratio to 14:5:1 for improved torque and peak performance on track. Traditionally, the KTMs have came with Vertex pistons, so I'm not sure. I don't know if this CP piston is just a Husky thing and the KTM still has Vertex, but if you go to the KTM site, I can't see where it says anything about using a new CP piston. So not sure what the deal is there. It says completing the changes for 2023, striking white, yellow, and gray graphics are applied using the in mold, kind of like embossed technology, for an outstanding and long lasting finish. So yeah, they look sweet, guys. I'm a huge fan. I like the Husky stuff, but I wish KTM would be a little more transparent about the suspension. For the last 2 years, the Husky suspension has been 10 millimeters lower, and a lot of the vet guys have loved this. Obviously the shorter people have loved this, but I can't really find where that's the case or not. They're not super transparent about it. I checked the website, I can't really see. I've heard rumors that Husky was going away from that 10 millimeter lower suspension this year, but I haven't been able to confirm that either. So maybe if somebody knows, you can leave it in the comment section and let the viewers know, because that was really, you know, when it come to buying a bike, that was our customers' biggest differentiation, is is the Husky stuff 10 millimeters lower. That's a justification for a lot of people to go Husky instead of KTM, because remember, now the subframes are the same. The Husky does not have the composite subframe. Both the KTMs and Huskies have the composite and aluminum subframes. So I don't know, guys, it's just some first thoughts right here on the bike. I'll definitely dig into this more later and drop some more videos, but for now, let you guys chew on that a little bit. Real quick, if you want to support this channel, you can do so by buying your parts, your dirt bike parts from AOMC. I've got the link down below. I've had a bunch of awesome customers call from the, that say they've seen the YouTube videos and they appreciate them and they're supporting AOMC because of these videos, and that means a lot to me, guys. Keep that up. You can use coupon code MXGuru to save 10% and give back a little bit there. Yeah, that's all I ask. Hit the subscribe button if you don't mind. I'll see you all in the next video.